What up, guys? We are starting the day off at the park with these two puppies. This little girl back here is my little sister, and Chanel. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Let's see you do it.
Do what?
Walk along the wiggly.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
No, let's go this way. No, go that way. We are on our way to another park. We call it the Animal Farm. There's Makayla. Call it the Animal Farm. There's animals there. The last time we went there, there was they only had the llama and the donkey out.
Horses.
Oh yeah, and they had horses.
Can I ride one?
No.
No. But yeah, that's where we're going. There's the puppy dogs. Also, just wanted to point out how hot it is today. Like, it's only in the low 70s, but like, it's like so hot.
It's very hot.
Oh my gosh.
It was snowing like last couple weeks ago.
Literally. Living in the Midwest. Oh, sorry. But it's really nice out. It's sunny. It's like cloudy, but
We
like.
go to McDonald's.
No.
Cheeseburger.
What?
All I want to get is a cheeseburger.
No.
And a pop.
Look who it is. It's your best friend.
Maybe he'll remember this
Maybe
time.
you'll remember your friend. Hey, he remembers.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
This is his blood.
What is wrong with you?
It's so sadistic.
All right. Oh boy. We're gonna lap around to the goats. Chanel loves goats.
Oh, your old lady likes getting enough rest, Makayla?
Oh.
Yeah, she's complaining that her feet hurt, our legs hurt. She's 5 years old. Okay, I'll see you at the goats.
Hey,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
We decided not to bring the dogs over by the animals because that'll just be a mess. But Makayla and I are going to look at them anyway while Rain is taking the dogs.
Hello.
They cried for like 2 minutes straight. After
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, they love me. Puppies love me. Come here, puppy. You love me. You love me.
Now you're okay.
Alright, we're about to go get some ice cream. Alright?
Hey guys, I'm toothless.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's get out of here. Hey guys, we're home eating ice cream, watching TV.
That was such a long,
Oh,
hour.
Yeah.
No, really, it was so draining because it was like
Hot. The sun.
It was like the first day that like you didn't have to wear like a jacket, like at all. Like I was wearing a hoodie and I was like sweating through the hoodie.
Yeah, I was melting.
Yeah. But now we're just chilling, eating some ice cream.
Don't know what we're gonna do yet. We're watching a scary movie.
Just chilling a little bit. I'm kind of tired though.
Me too.
We'll go for a nap.
Maybe take a nap. Yeah, probably take a nap. Hey guys.
Hey,
It's about that time.
that I go to sleep.
And I go to work.
So, that was our day.
That was our day. That was our first vlog. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any ideas for us for any new content or videos, leave it in the comment section below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button to support our channel. We'll see you guys next time.